Shivam, who is the very powerful. भोपाल ब्लास्टर first ball of the spell played by Swimman. There's chances of catch out, but ball has crossed the boundary and spar maximum has been given by umpire Mansoor. The first scoring shot maximum by bat of Shivam and Nagla Bhopal. And it's glorious maximum for 6 runs by bat of Shivam. Shivam, who is playing on individual score of 30 runs. He passed Shivam, who is a very powerful striker of the ball. Got cut and it's compulsory 2 run. Both batsmen has completed 2 run. So his score has reached 4 run. GPL season 2-4 of the by bat of Shivam. Shivam reached 7. And again we will see umpire decision 6 run maximum. Shivam, who is a very explosive and doing very well batting.